Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Simple English Channel. I'm James.
Hi, James. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here again.
It's wonderful to have you back, Lily. And to all our amazing listeners, thank you for tuning in.
Today, we have a super simple and useful topic for beginners.
That's right, Lily. We're going to talk about our day and the things we do every day.
What do you usually do in the morning, James?
First, I wake up around 6:30. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Nice. I usually wake up at 7. After that, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have coffee and toast. Sometimes I eat fruit too.
Sounds delicious. I usually drink tea and eat cereal.
After breakfast, I get dressed and put on my shoes and coat if I go outside.
Then you leave the house and go to work, right?
Exactly. What about you, James?
I leave the house and go to work too. Sometimes I work from home.
What do you do at work?
I usually sit at my desk and work on my computer. Sometimes I write articles or prepare lessons.
I answer emails and write reports. Sometimes I also have meetings with my colleagues.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I sometimes bring lunch from home or go out to eat.
I often have a sandwich or a salad for lunch.
After lunch, we usually go back to work.
Yes, and after work, I usually go home and relax on the sofa.
Sometimes I watch TV or cook dinner.
What do you like to cook?
I like cooking pasta or soup.
Sounds great. After dinner, I sometimes go for a walk or listen to music.
I usually wash the dishes, read a book, or talk to my family and friends.
What do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth and go to bed around 11:30.
I usually go to bed around 10:30 or 11.
Today we talked about many useful daily routine verbs and phrases.
Yes, try talking about your own daily routine in English every day.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Simple English Channel.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.